we have to fill it. Sorting garbage truck. Press the pump. Keep it up. Let's remove garbage and fix the drinking fountain. We need to assemble. Sorting garbage truck. Hooray! Filling. Sorting garbage truck. Pump. Don't stop. Let's remove garbage and fix the drinking fountain. We need to wash. Sorting garbage truck. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Covered truck. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Covered truck. Pump. Ready. Let's plant young trees and flowers. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it! You're doing really great. We have to assemble. Bucket lift. Keep it up. Filling. Bucket lift. Pump. We did it! Let's install feeders for birds and forest animals. We've made a great place for the animals to rest and gain strength.